Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Anastasia Beverly Hills just dropped this sick dewy spray and Riveria palette, so I had to do a video on it. The colors were freaking sick and like pastel, bright, neon, everything in the book. So I had to come out of hiding and do a tutorial for this one. Right now I'm just carving out my brows. I'm using Anastasia concealer in 0.5 as a super white sticky base to help the shadow look more pigmented, and I'm just like brushing it out with a concealer brush. Please do not look at my edges because they are not on fleek. They look really crazy, but don't judge. So guys, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. It is so beautiful. The colors are just super Hampton Montauk vibes. And as usual, Anastasia did not disappoint with the pigment because the color is insane. I decided to go for a pink purple-ish look, but with a little blue. I tried to use as many colors as I felt like would look natural in the look, but I also didn't want to look like a clown, so do forgive me. So right now I'm just blending out my shadows. I tend to tap on the color first and then blend it out after because I feel like you get much more pigment that way rather than just straight out blending on the first tap. Now I'm going to go in with this purple color. I don't remember the name, but basically I want to deepen out my crease area because I'm going to do a cut crease, and it's going to be with a bold blue shimmery color. I think the color was Mediterranean. So I want to just make sure I define my crease area first. Now I'm going to do my cut crease. I'm using that same Anastasia concealer in 0.5, and I'm using a flathead concealer brush. I sprayed the dewy setting spray onto the brush this way so the concealer can dry faster, and also it'll lessen the chances of it creasing. I've noticed a big difference in spraying like setting spray on it versus using a dry brush because I feel like the concealer doesn't set as well. But here I am going into Mediterranean. It's like a blue purple shimmery color, but it's not as bright as I wanted, so I decided to give it a kick with Lime Crime's Diamond Crushers lipstick. I didn't have time to film it. Well, I did film it, but it got cut out for some reason. So you guys are going to see the final look, but you won't be able to see me, unfortunately, put the Diamond Crushers onto my eye. Now I finished with my eyeshadow, and I love it. And then I have my new lash line. The lashes are called Trap Star. So make sure you guys go and buy those when they launch. Probably in April I want to drop them, if not May the latest. It's been a lot of work trying to launch a lash line, a lot of money, but I love makeup and lashes specifically, so I hope you guys buy them. I'm just highlighting with my LA Pro Girl concealer. Or is it LA Girl Pro concealer? I'm pretty sure it's LA Girl Pro concealer, whatever. But their concealer is amazing. You guys probably know this already. It's like $4. So it's like the best. I always mix it though. I mix the color natural with like a shade 2 to 3 colors lighter, because one covers my dark circles, but then one color actually highlights my face, obviously. So you just see me tap on that color and just make sure everything's blended out. You do not want to have like blotchy patches on your face, boo. That is a no freaking go, okay? Time for contour, and I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills stick foundation in espresso, I believe, and this stick foundation is so good. If you have oily skin, I would say maybe it's not the best foundation for you, because I have like dry skin, so it works for me, but I could see how someone with oily skin would it wouldn't work for them. So I do recommend it for people with dry skin, and it's also really blendable. Like, I feel like I've used it as a foundation, a highlighter, and a contour, and it works all 3 ways. So it's a really good like tool to have in your makeup kit. Now I'm blending it out with this Real Techniques brush, and I'm just in love with their brushes. Like, I even switched from my beauty blender now, and I've been using these brushes to contour. Obviously the beauty blender still helps for those small spots and to help just like, I guess, pad in the product more, but brushes are definitely my go-to nowadays. Now I'm actually using the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter stick. I think it's called Banana. It's specifically for highlighter. It's not meant to be, it's a foundation stick, but it's not meant to be for foundation. It's meant to be a highlighter in their foundation line, if that makes sense. So I'm just using that on top of my concealer because it's giving me a little bit more of a bright under eye. If you have any like dark circles or baggy eyes, I highly recommend this, because it's just an extra layer of coverage for your dark eyes. And now I'm going to go and just do Reset Spray and spray it all over my face. And just a quick note, it's $1 cheaper than MAC's Prep and Prime spray, and it's the same exact like amount of product in the box. So this is super interesting. So I'm a part of Influencer. Some of you guys might be a part of it as well. And I got to try the Mercier lipstick, and it was really soft and silky. And they also sent a blush and a lip liner. The lip liner was very similar to my actual color of my lips, so that's why you guys may not be able to see it that well. But the quality was definitely smooth and silky, I can say that. And I am shook, because the pigment on this blush, sis, it was there, okay? Oh, dab on them holes, because that pigment was there. Do you see that color? Okay, that pinky, pink is just my color. It just looks so good on me. I feel like pink is everybody's color. just makes everyone look so good and happy and fresh, okay? I just finished lining my lips, and now I'm going to go in with lipstick. As I said before, super smooth and creamy. I think it retails for, I'm not even sure honestly, but it just launched on their site, so I'm sure you can find it. I'll put it in the description box below, the link, so you guys can find it easier. And it is a look, sis. I just got to double check because the lashes was giving me life. The blue shadow, the pink, it was just tying together, boo. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at JJuheard.